children, in last class we learned about integers. Now what is the definition of integer? Integer is a collection of positive numbers and negative numbers including 0. Now in number line, your center always will be 0 and your right hand side will be all positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And your left hand side will be all negative numbers minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. Your right hand side will be all positive numbers and your left hand side will be all negative numbers. 0 will be in your center. Now here we need to compare our negative numbers and positive number whether they are greater or lesser. Now one thing you need to remember that in positive numbers, bigger numbers are bigger, and in your negative numbers, smaller numbers are bigger. What is in your positive numbers? All your bigger numbers will be bigger, and in your negative numbers, smaller numbers will be bigger. Now I will give examples. When you are comparing with your negative and positive, now here is your negative number, here is your positive number. When you are comparing with your positive and the negative number, always your positive will be greater than negative. So what is your positive number here? 2. So 2 will be greater than minus 1.
Correct.
So when you are comparing with your positive and negative, your positive number will be now other example is that when you are comparing with your both negative values. Now minus 4 and minus 5. Now here you can see both are negative, minus symbol. So in this, what is, before I said smaller numbers are bigger in your negative numbers. Now in here, which is your smaller number? Your 4 will be smaller number. So which is your bigger number in this now? Greatest number between two negative numbers. Minus 4 is greater than minus 5. Now next example is minus 6 and minus 7. Now in this, here also we can see both are negative numbers. Now in this, which is your smaller number? 6 is smaller number. So which will be a greater number now? Minus 6 or minus 7? Minus 6 will be your greater than minus 7. Now next example is that minus 3 and plus 3. Now in this you can see your number is 3, 3. But what we should do, we need to check our sign. Here we have positive sign, here we have negative sign, here we have positive sign. So what will be a greater? Positive only will be greater than your negative. So 3 is your greater number.
Start.
Now exercise number 1. This you need to write in your class book. Now in that first question, what is your first question? Some integers are marked on the number line which is biggest and which is the smallest. Now like this number line in your textbook: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And your left hand side will be all negative. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Now minus 3 is plotted and 2 is also plotted. Now here they are asking biggest number and smallest. What I said before example, when you are comparing with your negative and the positive, what will be your biggest number? Always your positive will be biggest number. So 2 is your biggest number. Now what is the smallest? Minus 3. This is your first solution. Now next second. In second bit, first one. Question is, write the integers between the pairs of integers given below and also choose the biggest and the smallest integers from there. Now first question is -5 -10. Now in this what they asked, write the integers between the pairs of integers. You need to write integers between these two pairs. So in these pairs, so after in between
Start.
-5 and -10 is a pair. In between what will get after -5, -6, -7, -8, -9. These four will be in your between -5 and -10. Now in this they are asking which is your biggest number and smallest number. What I said, when you are comparing with your negative numbers, what will be your biggest? Smaller number will be biggest in your negative number. Now in this, which is your smallest number? -6. So now in this, which is your biggest number? -6. And what is your smallest number? -9. Now in that second sum, what is your second sum? 3, -2. Now you need to write 3, in these two integers we need to write between what they like. Now 0, 1, 2 and -1. -1, 0, 1, 2 and 3 here you will get, and -1, -2 left side you will get. Now these are the numbers which will lie between these two numbers. Now in this they are asking you to find biggest and the smallest. So when you comparing with your positive and negative, what will be your biggest? Positive number will be biggest. So for positive number is what? 2. Now in this smallest, what is your smallest negative number? What is your negative number? -1. Now in this second bit we have third sum also, that as do as homework. This should be done in your homework book. Now next bit is third. Third bit first. What is the third bit? Write the following integers in ascending order, smallest to biggest. Here they gave some numbers, -5, 2, 1 and -8. This should be arranged in ascending order. Now ascending order means, what is your ascending order? Small to big. Small to big means first you need to write your smallest number. Now in this, when we are finding smallest number, we need to find your negative number. Now in this we can see your two negative numbers, -8 and -5. Now in this, which is your smallest number? Smallest negative number? -8. So it will be your first smallest number. Now next is -5. Now next here we have 2 positive. In this 2 positive, what is the smallest? 2 or 1? 1. And next is 2. This is your ascending order of your -1, 2, 1, -8. Now second sum. -4, -3, -5 and 2. This should be arranged in ascending order. Ascending order small to big. Now here we have 3 negative values. What are they? -4, -3, -5. Now when you are finding negative numbers, we need to check which are the greatest number. Now which is your greatest number? 5. So what will be our negative smallest number is -5. Now next negative smallest number? -4. Now next -3. Now here we can see only one positive, that will be your next number. This is the way we arrange our integers in a ascending order. Thank you.